The World Center for Birds of Prey have started their fall flights.
Oh, he got it.
I'm your Idaho Backroads neighborhood reporter, Steve Dent, and if you've never been, this is a stunning show where several different species of raptors fly directly over your head. The Peregrine Fund makes it their mission to help birds of prey all over the world. Their efforts help get the peregrine falcon delisted off the endangered species list, and their work continues today.
One of the best ways to show off the flying ability of a large falcon are with a leather lure that can mimic the flight of a bird.
One of the ways they try to get people to care about raptors is through their unique demonstrations during fall flights.
It was really fun, really fun. I really enjoyed it. Magic.
That's right. It could only be the owl. Coming in from the back, this is Oliver.
During fall flights, raptor trainers teach people about the history of these birds of prey, their habitat, and current conservation efforts. It's an educational experience.
Over time, they changed the fire cycle
That teaches people about birds in a really unique way.
The ladies that do the commentating are fantastic, and they keep it not only informative, but lighthearted, and they're so fantastic with the birds.
Those include Oliver the Verose eagle owl, Rosa, a northern oplomato falcon, Farah the ferruginous hawk,
Oh, good job, her.
Lucy the turkey vulture,
So give her a hand as she's making her way into the field.
Griffin the Swainson's hawk, and Murphy the peregrine falcon. During the show, the audience can feel the wind from the wings as these raptors fly by.
Missed you by inches. The peregrine was pretty cool. I mean, the way it flies and the way it zooms. She said it was the fastest bird on the planet.
Everyone has their favorite bird, but for me, it's Lucy the vulture.
Now Lucy is showing you how vultures scavenge on dead things.
Which leaves the question, which one will be your favorite? As you can bring the entire family down to the World Center for Birds of Prey to find out and enjoy this one-of-a-kind experience.
I think they had as much fun as I did. The little boys really enjoyed it, and I think all the family did too.
Thank you so much for joining us today and for supporting our conservation efforts.
Fall Flights happens every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday here at the World Center for Birds of Prey until October 31st. I'm your Idaho Backroads neighborhood reporter, Steve Dent, for Idaho News 6.